Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create pull posts on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click here. Now here we'll find this pull icon here, click on it, and here you can as you see add your poll here, and that's also you can add the option and add your title and click next, and it will be posted, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.